Uh-oh, life happens. But before you panic, here's a 10-second carpet rescue with stuff under your sink. Grab 3 things: dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, and warm water. That's it, no fancy gadgets. Hydrogen peroxide lifts stains and kills bacteria. Dish soap breaks down grease. Together, a stain's worst nightmare. Mix them in a spray bottle. Shake it like a cocktail. This is your emergency stain martini. Spray and scrub like you're mad at the stain, but only for 10 seconds. Blot hard to soak up the mess. Repeat if needed. Let it air dry. No hair dryers are required. Boom! Stain's gone. Your dog's new nap spot? Approved. Subscribe for hacks that turn disasters into no big deal moments. You've got better things to do than scrub forever.